Hi you guys and welcome to my channel. So I just hope that your life's not gonna be any blurry because you're gonna be watching the long hair girly. Since this is my first YouTube video, I just thought ki let's just sit and talk about it. So basically YouTube is something that I wanted to do since very long, but I always kept delaying it, and the only reason was money. Of course, money and money. I always thought, और मैं हमेशा सोचती थी कि let's start YouTube, but फिर ऐसे होता था कि equipments नहीं. I didn't have the proper time. I did not have, like, of course if you're making videos you need to travel around, you need to explore, and again that's going to cause money. But then फिर मैंने सोचा कि is it really money? And my inner heart just said no, it's not money, it's your excuses, it's the excuse that you're giving yourself. Because money तो हम वैसे भी ये वो ऐसे वैसा कुछ ना कुछ खरीदने में तो पैसे वेस्ट कर ही देते. I said why not give it a try, and also I've got this new camera, so I thought ki why not just make use of it. So here we are, and you're gonna be watching my videos. Let's dig into the video and I'll see you guys. Bye. Hello everyone and welcome to my channel, The Long Hair Girly. So आज हम क्या करने वाले, any guesses? थंबनेल पढ़ के तो पता चल ही गया होगा कि हाँ हम करने वाले हैं 24 hours street food in Mumbai challenge. We are going to be trying street food in Mumbai for the next 24 hours. So first stop हम जाने वाले हैं to this very famous place in Vile Parle, which is a dosa. Baigan. Dosa ज़बान को क्या हो गया? Anyways, come guys, let's go with me. Let's go to our first location, as I've already mentioned, which is in Vile Parle, to this dosa shop. Let's try the dosa and I'll give you the review once we reach there. I must say मुंबई की ट्रैफिक में कहीं पर भी पहुंचना is next to impossible. Like मैं जहाँ थी वहाँ से this dosa shop was करीबन 10 मिनट की दूरी पर, and it's almost been half an hour guys, और मैं फिर भी यहाँ पर stuck हूँ. It's all because of the traffic. I guess I will reach there in another 5 minutes or so. So you see what the hype is all about. This is the Anand Dosa. We are at the Anand Dosa and there's so much crowd here. Uncle, आप कुछ बता रहे थे ये डोसा वाले के बारे में.
डोसा वाला अच्छा है भाई, बहुत अच्छा है.
और आप क्या बेच रहे हो?
चनाजोर से.
आप हमेशा यहाँ पर ही रहते हो?
जी जी, 4 बजे.
यू कैन कॉन्टैक्ट अंकल. अंकल आपका नाम क्या है?
रामचंद्र यादव.
ओके, रामचंद्र यादव अंकल है.
हाय जूदी भाई.
आपके यहाँ का फेमस डोसा कौन सा है? कौन सा? चीनी डोसा. ओके, so this is the menu. Let's order something and get back. So finally the dosa is here and I'm going to try it and tell you how the taste is. So this is Anand Dosa Vile Parle and this is the famous Genie Dosa. Okay, this is amazing. I mean मैंने इससे अच्छा डोसा खाया है अपने लाइफ में, but this is something that I can eat again, so must try guys. This is amazing. Especially the coconut chutney that they serve here is delicious. That is just amazing. So yes, since this is a hype place, I can see what the hype is all about. Yeah. Cheers. So अभी हम जस्ट आनंद डोसा खा कर आए. We are going to the second place which is in Warsaw. This is a momo place. बहुत लोगों को लग रहा होगा कि it is Suraj Lama, but no, it is not Suraj Lama. It is another place in Warsaw which serves amazing momos. I've been eating at this place since years now, but if I want to eat momo, this is my go-to place, and the name is Darjeeling Momos. So yeah, let's go there.
What?
So this is my all-time favorite chicken pad thai momos from the Darjeeling Momos. और इसमें peri peri भी आता है, but I personally love the basic one. So just dip it. They have 3 types of sauces. It's too good. The chef's kiss. This momos deserves the chef's kiss. So this is in Warsaw, just besides Nana Nani Park. Just in case you want to come and visit this place, it's Darjeeling Momos. And yeah, you can have a bite. I wish I could, but yeah, I'll enjoy my momos. So अब तक तो हमने डोसा और मोमोज खा लिए हैं. It is 4:58 as you can see. और अभी तो मेरा पेट बहुत फुल हो गया है. But since we are here in Warsaw, there is this other place where you get amazing pani puri, and it's just opposite this building Kanakya. Warsaw यारी रोड का जो बस डेपो है, बस उसके बगल में ये पानी पूरी स्टॉल है. So, पूरी चटोरी है द पानी पूरी स्टॉल. कम
अभी मजा आएगा ना भिड़ो.
चलो उनका नहीं है, मेरा लास्ट है. That's the worst thing I like to do when it comes to eating. I just eat. So this is my pani puri. And it's so good. मैं प्रॉपर्ली 1 सूखा पूरी, पर 1 सूखा पूरी से क्या होगा? अंकल को ऑलरेडी पता ही था that I'm going to ask for another one, so you're going to. इतना ज़्यादा खा लिया आज मैंने कि आई थिंक अभी मेरे पेट में कोई जगह नहीं बची. देयर इज नो प्लेस लेफ्ट इन माय टमी. अभी लेट्स टेक अ शॉर्ट ब्रेक. आई मीन शाम तक वेट करते हैं, उसके बाद वी आर गोइंग टू अ वेरी फेमस फूड इन मुंबई. ऑफ कोर्स इट हैज़ टू बी मुंबई का वड़ा पाव, द लोकल वड़ा पाव. और मुंबई में अगर आप स्ट्रीट फूड ट्राई करो और अगर वड़ा पाव नहीं खाया तो फिर क्या ही खाया तुमने. So yes, we'll be going to Shivaji Park to eat some amazing vada pav. You know which vada pav center I'm talking about. So yeah, see you. So currently it is around 7:29 p.m. which is almost 2.5 hours की हमने ब्रेक लिया था. मैंने ब्रेक लिया था for 2.5 hours ताकि मेरे टमी में थोड़ी सी जगह हो जाए. एंड आई थिंक अभी मैं इतना तो एक फ्रैंकी और एक वड़ा पाव तो खा ही सकती हूँ. So we are going to go to Ashok Vada Pav, and we are going to this Frankie place which is very famous. The name I'll tell you once I reach there. So let's go. Or just look at the beauty of Bandra in December. Just look at the beauty. here at this Frankie shop which is near Shivaji Park, and it's 7:56 right now. And you see the crowd. I've already placed an order for the Frankie. It's been long now that I've placed an order. It's almost 10 minutes and we've still not got the Frankie. So once my Frankie comes, I'll taste it and I'll give you the review how it is. And the unique part about the Frankie here is that they put in any flavored Lays that you want. So if in case you're taking a chicken Frankie, you can just tell him the flavor of Lays that you want and they'll put that in, and it's going to be the magic of that particular Frankie, which I'm most excited about. So you can see that this Frankie comes in the flavor of Lays that you take. Like I've taken a green chili lemon chicken Frankie and it's stuffed with all this Lays, and that's such a unique packaging. Of course इसके ऊपर टिश्यू रैप था but मैंने निकाल दिया है just so that I can show you guys. And now it's time for the taste test. One of the best Frankies that I've ever had. And the Lays, the flavor of chili lemon is just blending in with the chicken tikka Frankie. So बोलते हैं ना ऐसे fancy restaurants में you get dishes that are served in a very fancy way, but जो authentic taste होता है वो ऐसे hidden spots में होता है. I feel this Frankie is absolutely 10 on 10. It's amazing. Out of everything that I've had today, this has to be number one. I'll try the vada pav though. आज मैंने शायद 3-4 किलो वज़न तो बढ़ा ही दिया होगा अच्छा खासा. Tomorrow se we need to focus on our diet. For those who don't know, I am on a diet and I am on a fitness journey which I follow, but considering my first vlog, I said why not, इतना तो बनता है खुद के लिए. So इसलिए हमने इतना कुछ खा लिया है, बट कल से तो हमें फोकस करना ही पड़ेगा हमारे डाइट पे. अभी हमने फ्रैंकी खा लिया है एंड वी आर हेडिंग टूवर्ड्स अशोक वड़ा पाव एंड इट इज़ शोइंग अराउंड 3 मिनट्स. अभी 3 मिनट्स में आई रीच अशोक वड़ा पाव. आई जस्ट होप कि मुझे वो खाने मिले बिकॉज मैंने सुना है कि वहाँ पर बहुत रश होती है. दिस इज़ माई फर्स्ट टाइम टू अशोक वड़ा पाव. लाइक ये जो फ्रैंकी हमने खाया है वो मैंने इन पास्ट खाया था ड्यूरिंग गणपति, बट आई ईटन अ वेज फ्रैंकी, वेज पनीर टिक्का फ्रैंकी, and I wanted to try their chicken tikka Lays Frankie, of course, for which I came here. But Ashok Vada Pav, I am going to be trying for the very first time, so I'm super duper excited for it. And अभी बस 2 मिनट में हम पहुँचेंगे. मैंने सुना है कि वहाँ का वेट टाइम 30 मिनट्स 40 मिनट्स होता है. आई जस्ट होप कि ऐसा ना हो, बिकॉज ट्रस्ट मी मैं सुबह से बहुत ज़्यादा एग्जॉस्ट हो चुकी हूँ. लाइक आई एम जस्ट एग्जॉस्टेड. आई डोंट नो कि ट्रैवल करके या खा के. आई फील इतना ट्रैवल किया है फ्रॉम टूवर्ड्स बांद्रा, वर्सोवा, अंधेरी एंड नाउ टूवर्ड्स साउथ बॉम्बे. तो हाँ थोड़ा टायर्डनेस है, बट फर्स्ट व्लॉग है और हम इसे बहुत ही ज़्यादा शिद्दत से करना चाहते हैं. सो लेट्स गिव 100% एंड सी यू एट अशोक वड़ा पाव गाइस. So guys, I'm finally at the Ashok Vada Pav and there's a queue you can see just behind. Like I guess आराम से 30-40 मिनट तो लग ही जाएंगे वड़ा पाव लेने में. I've asked my friend to wait in queue so that I could just vlog a little and show you around. I thought कि ये टाइम पे आएंगे तो शायद थोड़ी कम भीड़ हो, but I was wrong. उतनी ही भीड़ है अभी भी. देखते हैं कब खाने मिलेगा यहाँ का वड़ा पाव. Yeah, so stay tuned. I'll give you an update and rating of how the vada pav is. So yeah. A very cute friend here. Say hi to this cutie. Hi. Hoi. Hi Sneha. Say hi Sneha. Oh. So that's the famous vada pav with a lot of chura in it. I guess I didn't understand the taste in the first bite. Vada, to be honest, is normal. Like, it's like a normal vada pav. It's just the chura that you say which is adding a little bit crunch or a little bit taste to it. Yeah, for vada pav average hai. Like, I'd give this vada pav a 6 on 10, and just with the chura I'll give it an additional 1, so 7 out of 10. It's not that great though, so yeah. So finally I'm home. I'm super duper tired. बहुत ज़्यादा exhaust हो गई हूँ, and I'm gonna be ending my video here. So if you've enjoyed watching this video, please do give it a thumbs up. Please do share the video, comment and subscribe to my channel. Hope that you will see another video very soon. So yeah, stay tuned. Bye bye.